Hello guys. We're going back fishing.
Where are we going fishing?
We're going fishing. Are you happy? Excited?
Yeah.
Alia, you excited? Are you excited to go fishing? Yes. Are you excited to go fishing?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Hi guys. Welcome. This will be our first fishing for the year. This will be my first fishing vlog. So we'll start from scratch. We've been doing this for a while, but we're planning to make more exciting videos with better gear and more exciting videos. So just stay tuned, like and subscribe.
Fishing spot and but we're not going in there. And we have fishing rods there. We're in the
Hillary's
North Harbour North Side Drive. We're using, what's that, Papa?
chicken liver.
Why are we using chicken liver, Mike?
There's no heart.
Okay. Try mo.
Are you touching anything? Stop. Hey, Papa, okay? Mom, is the thing?
Napato agad. Lusak? Yun lang.
Wala, hindi effective. Dapat gizzard.
Wala eh.
Wala. Hindi ka makakahuli nito.
Hindi makakahuli kasi liver ang gamit, lusak. Dahil walang... Go get fish, lots of fish. What's that?
I got 2 pigs.
No, that's
Is
not...
it a piranha?
No, it's not. Ano yun, Papa?
The one with the spiky
Huh?
thing. My
Popper.
crab!
Ah, yes, that's a crab. Can we...
Oh, there's a crab!
Hindi ko siya ma...
Get him,
Maganda siya. Malalim.
Papa! A crab!
Yeah.
Eat your crab!
So, Papa got a... What?
Pufferfish.
Putete. Ay,
Are you
naku, mali.
serious right now, bro?
Ay, naku.
Bakit? Ano, kulang?
Papa, eat him, Papa!
Kulang yung setup?
Nice.
Ayun, pufferfish.
That's spiky. It will go like, and then their spikes will come out like, and it'll hurt you.
hate using liver. It's too, what's the right word? Mushy. I prefer using we were using pig's heart or something a bit harder. So when you slice, it doesn't. The right word isn't thick, right?
What's that? Oy. Ano yan? Ano yan? Brim? Ang liit.
Give me!
Pakawalan mo.
I got you. I
Yeah, I'll give you
Not
next
legal
time.
size.
I'll give you the
Oy.
ano to, snapper yata eh.
What's the legal size? Not the legal size. Throw it back.
Go, you turn it. Turn it, go.
Which way?
Bato na.
There's one.
Ay, go.
Oy, naku, ano yan?
Ow! Give me pig!
Ano naman yan? Parrot fish?
Hindi ko alam.
All coming.
Puffer fish.
After 10 years.
Ha? Anong nangyayari? Paring Binong, anong nangyayari?
Paperwork.
What's happening? Binong?
Ganadong magpun eh, saglit. Wait. There's more.
There's more.
There's more to life, guys. Change plan. Masyadong the liver is too mushy or mushy. Soft into the mushy. Soft into the book. You might get another kind of bait. Something that can hold or stick to the hook. Wala na. Kasi hagis ko pag kuwan ko, wala ko na feel na kumakagat. Wala lang, nawawala.
Kasi ang bait mo ay
Libo.
chicken liver, which is not a good bait. Okay.
So that's why you never buy chicken liver
For bait.
for bait.
Bait.
But you can buy it for food.